In this tutorial, we're going to have a quick look at maps in ByteDeck, and we're going to view it from the student perspective. So we're in learn.bytedeck and we're viewing it from the student perspective. There's Avi the student. And what I'd like to show you is the maps. Now, maps is a pretty powerful tool for both instructor and student because it shows you the pathway for the whole deck. Let's have a look at this one, for example. Notice that we have a campaign here. That's what this is. This is a campaign. We have a quest. This was that Welcome to ByteDeck quest. Now, if you remember, when you completed this quest, all of these ones appeared because this campaign has this as a prerequisite, and that's what this arrow means. That arrow indicates a prerequisite. Completing this campaign is a prerequisite for this badge and for this quest. You can see the arrows. Then we have this other thing down over here, and it's got a dotted line around it. It's kind of blue. And what it is a completely other map. Because if we had all the maps right here on this page, it would look pretty messy. So let's have a quick look at it. I'm going to click there. And we see that we're looking at the next section, which is the instructor deck. And we have all of the quests that are in that particular campaign. So we have that intro quest, and then these now are prerequisites for each other. So you won't see courses and semesters until you've completed this quest. Now, even though Avi the student has not completed the prerequisites for, say, this quest, that doesn't mean he can't look at it. Let's have a peek. So there's the quest with all of the instructions and all of the links and everything. But it also says here on the top, you do not yet meet the prerequisites to start the quest. Let's go back. So here we are. Now notice that completing this one quest releases two of them. Here's another interesting one with the dotted lines right over here for the arrows. It means that this quest has this or this as a prerequisite. If it had solid lines, that would mean that it would have both. You'd need to complete both. And then again, once this quest is completed, it will release a whole other map of quests. So as you can see, maps are a really terrific way of visualizing the deck and looking ahead to see what's next. They're a wonderful way for the instructor to organize the deck. Thanks so much for your attention.